there, for today's read aloud, we will be reading Baby Elephants. So remember, we're doing animal research. So this whole week we're focusing on what type of books? Elephant books. So we can continue to learn more information about elephants. So this is an informational book, meaning we will be learning real information, true facts about a topic. Our topic is elephants. I'd like for you to take a moment and think about everything you've learned so far about elephants, okay? So go ahead and do that. Think about everything you've learned. All right, so in this book we are going to be learning all about baby elephants, which is perfect because today's question that we need to focus on is about family. How long do baby elephants stay with their mothers? All things about family, okay? Let's get to reading. Oh, what is this called? This is a text feature. This is contents, short for a table of contents. It lets us know what we're about to read, the different information. I am a calf is on page 6. Heavy baby is on page 8. Family herd, page 10. What to eat, page 12. Memory and movement, page 16. I am a young elephant, page 18. Speak and listen, page 20. Calf words, page 22. Reading corner, page 23. And index, page 24. Let's go ahead and start reading. I am a calf. I am a baby elephant. So a calf is what? It's a baby elephant. Here's a diagram. It's a picture with labels. Here's hair, eye, foot. You actually did a diagram yesterday for your reading activity, didn't you? Look at my wrinkly skin. Here's a big floppy ear and a trunk. I weigh about 200 pounds at birth. That is very big. My mother fed me food. I have a trunk. But what does it do? What does a trunk do? We've learned about this before. What does a trunk do? Give you a moment to think about it. All right, let's keep reading. My herd is my family. I have many older siblings, cousins, and aunts. So we need to remember that because we're focusing on what? Family. We're focusing on how long does a baby stay with its mother. We're focusing on family. That's the next part of our research that we're focusing on. Everyone takes care of one another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elephants. Look at this little herd. My teeth and tusks are growing. The first set will fall out in a year. Then new teeth will come in. Did you know that? So just like us, when we're little and our teeth are growing, they fall out and then we get a new set, a permanent set. Same thing for elephants, baby elephants, which are called calves. They too lose their teeth. So their teeth are called what? Tusks. So their tusks start to grow and then they fall out and then they get new ones, right? So that is something new. I didn't know that. I didn't know that when they're babies, when they're calves, their tusks start to grow and then they fall out and they get new ones. I didn't know that. I thought they just grow and get longer with time. So that's really cool. Something new I learned. I will drink milk for 2 years. My teeth will help me eat plants. So what do their teeth help them do? Eat plants. And how long do they drink milk? 2 years. Now I know what to do with my trunk. It helps me hold on to things. What do calves, baby elephants, trunks do? It helps them hold on to things. We are always on the move. We remember where to find water. Elephants need a lot of food. I dig up roots with my tusk. I find grasses and fruit. So they're always on the move. They need to what? Find water. And what do they like to eat? Roots, grasses, and fruits. And they dig up the roots with their Tusk. It is hot where I live. I take a bath in the mud. I am a young elephant now. So, where do they take a bath? In the mud, right? When they get covered up in the mud, it protects their skin from the sun, and so it kind of helps them keep a little bit cool. Speak and listen. Toot. Can you speak like a calf? Can you? Thumbs up or down? Elephants trumpet with their trunks. They also rumble. Now it's your turn. Ready? It's your turn. Go. Toot. You don't have to do it loud, but go ahead and try it. Did you try it? Okay. All right, so here are some calf words. This is also called a glossary. It just looks different in different books, but this is the same thing as a glossary. Herd, a group of animals that live and feed together. Siblings, brothers or sisters. Do you have any siblings? Thumbs up or down? I have siblings. I have 2 brothers. Trunk, a long nose that can grasp objects. So it can grab on too. Tusk, long pointed teeth that extend from the mouth. And then here's our index. This is another text feature. So we want to learn we want to go back to the page where it said family. So let's go back to page 10. Okay, here we are on page 10. My herd is my family. I have many older siblings, cousins, and aunts. Everyone takes care of one another. So I'm going to go ahead and take a minute and think back to our research plan. We are now on family. We did appearance, we've done diet, we've done habitat, now we are on family. So family, our question that we were trying to focus on was, how long do baby elephants, which are called calves, stay with their mothers? Well, it seems like, even though we didn't get an exact number, it sounds like a herd is a family and they stay together for a long time, doesn't it? Yeah, my herd is my family. I have many older siblings, cousins, and aunts. Everyone takes care of one another. So they stay together, okay? All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's Read Aloud, Baby Elephants, and I'd like for you to take a moment and think of one thing you learned. Think of one thing. I'll give you a hint. I learned something new. It has to do with tusk. Give me a moment to think. All right, on the next slide, you'll have an opportunity to talk about one thing you learned, okay? Hope you enjoyed today's Read Aloud.